what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys didn't know, a few days ago, about a week ago, I uploaded a video saying my M5 is broke. So it was a timing chain guide. Those pretty much failed on me, and I found pieces of plastic in the oil pan. So fast forward, about a week later, we're about to go pick up the M5. So the M5's done. Got new timing chain guides, chains, and all that kind of stuff. Got the whole kit. Also got camshaft sensors and a new thermostat. So let's go pick up the car and see how it drives afterwards. Wow, it's been a minute since I had you guys strapped up to my window like this. Obviously, we're mid-winter right now. My car is reading 13 degrees, and this morning it was around like 2 degrees, 3 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the kind of weather we're dealing with now. You know, I would like to take the car out and properly do pulls with it and show you guys the differences. Oh man. So the timing chain guides pretty much fell into my oil pan. I found pieces of plastic in the oil pan, which is something you should never find in an oil pan. You should only have oil in the oil pan, but mine actually had plastic and eventually had little pieces of aluminum as well in the oil. You know, the thing had to get fixed immediately. It was definitely in emergency state. I can't get no traction out here. It's a little scary driving like this. But yeah, the car is back. When I did drive the car after I did find out the pieces in there, which I should not have really been driving the car, but since it's my only car, I did have to go a few places that are very local, like down the street, a couple miles away from the house. When I did drive, I didn't drive it above 1500 RPMs because that's when I would get the rattle from the timing chains. So I tried keeping it low RPMs as possible. So really, this is my first time above 1500 RPMs in a couple weeks. And you know, being someone who drives the car every day, literally, there's not a day that goes by where I don't drive the car. It's crazy. So, you know, it's gonna be fun, you know, being able to hear the car again. Just so you guys can get an idea of how much throttle I'm putting down right now, I was just putting down 40% throttle. I don't even know if I touched 50%. So you can really see this car is just a lot more perky. I put new camshaft sensors in there. My mechanic cleaned off my Vanos unit, which he actually thinks it's likely that it was replaced by a previous owner. It has the latest Vanos unit assembly itself, so you know, that's also a good thing. So that got cleaned off, and then on top of that, I also put in a new thermostat as well, and just a whole bunch of seals and stuff here and there, and everything that came in the E39 M5 timing chain guide kit from FCP Euro. Okay, so this car has some stuff done to it that's just really refreshed the car. On top of that, I already have a brand new clutch in the car. A new Guibo / flex disc, whatever you want to call it. Just going here. I'm still like making sure, you know, everything's all right, the job was done properly. I want you guys to actually take a look at these clips. Timing chain guides in this car are plastic, okay? The exterior of them are aluminum, at least one of them. But the inside where the chain, you know, is likely to touch it is plastic, and over time plastic just becomes stiff and hard and very crackable. As you can see in this clip right here, those guys were destroyed. I mean, all the plastic was gone pretty much on one of the guides. You can see the chains must have been catching up against the aluminum piece of the guide, so that must have been where the aluminum came into the oil at the bottom of the oil pan. So you can really see these things were not in good shape, and it's good that I was driving it as minimally as possible. Ideally, I should have been driving it like none, zero goose egg, but I don't really want to spank this car knowing that, you know, the whole engine was taken apart just literally last night. So, you know, I'm still, you know, keeping an eye on my temperatures and my fluids and everything, making sure everything's working properly, because I would hate for anything to go wrong after spending as much money as I did spend on this car. to get it done. So if you guys may be wondering, how much did he spend? You know, that's a great question. I will be making a video about that soon, and I will be comparing it to what the dealer charges because I got it done by a mechanic. I will definitely be comparing those two prices and just really give you guys an idea on how much BMW likes to charge. Stay tuned for that video, but in terms of the M5, it is back. Be ready for more M5 content. Next thing on the list is just to get all the rust handled and the body taken care of. And you know, I'll definitely see you guys who are local in Michigan. I'll see you guys at the meets with my family, so it'll be cool. Just hear the RPMs a little bit. Yeah. She's back, man. This is great. We still haven't put 100% throttle down, and I'm not going to do that probably for a few more days, but just, yeah, like I said again, just be ready for the E39 M5 content. Car's back. Let me know what you guys want to see from this car. Obviously POVs, reviews, all that kind of stuff. Just drop it in the comments. Let me know exactly what you want to see. Yo, this thing floats. What? This thing floats. Wow, man, much more responsive. I didn't think I was gonna feel that much of a difference, but this car, night and day difference. Just feels a lot younger and perkier and just newer. Just, wow, I'm glad to have this car back. You know, like you guys don't know already, it's my dream car, and you know, it's always been a dream of mine to drive this car every day. Even if something goes wrong, you know, get it fixed and just really own the car instead of just buying it, beating on it, and not even fixing it and selling it to somebody else and having it be someone else's problem. You know, that's not why I want to own this car. I really do want to take proper care of this car. Wow, that sun is bright. So you know, that's definitely what I'm gonna do. That's my plan and goals and everything. So you know, definitely join me for that journey by hitting that subscribe button, drop a like on this video. You know, that really lets me know that you know you guys support this journey as well, and I definitely want to include everybody in this journey. So yeah, man, it's great to have the car back. The idle of the car now is definitely the most noticeable difference from having the car back after this job was done. It literally is as quiet as my dad's 2014 7 Series, if not quieter. It's really that quiet, guys. So, and you know, especially being a V8, it's sounding exactly how it should have sounded from the beginning. Obviously, I knew what I was getting into when I went to go buy a higher mileage E39 M5. I knew everything was not going to be perfect in how it was from the factory, but literally, guys, the idle sounds like it's from factory now. Like, it's that quiet, and you know, that just makes me feel real good, because worst comes to worst, I would like this car just to be functional. You know, if I could drive it, have all the mechanical components in order and in good shape, you know what I mean? Thank you guys for watching this quick update video on my E39 M5. Make sure you subscribe and drop a like. Also, if you guys want to see more videos of our E92 M3, E63 M6 or 7, 2014 750, 2014 650, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, check out our Instagram at Beemer Fam, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.